या खुदा हमें
O my Lord, grant me a righteous son. So we gave him the good news of a boy ready to suffer and forbear. When the son reached the age of serious work with him, he said, O my son, I see in vision that I offer you in sacrifice. Now see what is your view. The son said, O my father, do as you are commanded, and you will find me, if Allah so wills, one practicing patience and constancy. So when they had both submitted their wills to Allah, and he had laid him prostrate on his forehead for sacrifice, we called out to him, O Ibrahim, you have already fulfilled the vision. Thus, indeed, we reward those who do right.
अज्र से नवाजा करते हैं। ये एक आजमाइश थी।
For this was obviously a trial, and we ransomed him with a momentous sacrifice, and we left this blessing for him among generations to come in later times. Peace and salutation to Ibrahim.
यकीनन
Thus, indeed, do we reward those who do right. For he was one of our believing servants.
सूरह सफ़ात की 107वीं आयत के मुताबिक
In verse 107, the sacrifice with which Prophet Ismail was ransomed is described as momentous by Allah. Therefore, it must be great in absolute degree. An ordinary ram by no means, in any sense whatsoever, can be termed as great. Moreover, under no circumstance a ram can be greater than Prophet Ismail, son of Prophet Ibrahim, both the most distinguished prophets of Allah, in whose progeny Allah appointed His divinely commissioned Imams. The ransom, therefore, is essentially a great sacrifice Allah had kept in store for future, when the religion of Allah would be perfected and completed after the advent of the Holy Prophet.
यकीनन बशरियत
It was indeed a great and momentous occasion when two men of God stood ready to offer to Allah that which was dearest to them, to seek His pleasure,